How to change reason on Steam. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change reason on Steam. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to change reason on Steam, you just need to download any of the VPN on your device. You may just download a VPN, any of the VPN that is suitable for you. You can easily find it on your Google Chrome. You may just download it from there and change the reason from where you want to play the game, or change the reason on Steam. So after downloading the VPN and changing the reason, in order to check your reason, you may just tap on your profile. At the very up you can see your profile option, and here just tap on account. You need to tap on account details. For that, just tap on that and tap on account details. After tapping on account details, you will be able to see this interface on your screen. So here you can see this country section. So after changing a VPN, you will be able to see your country location changing, reason changing into another location where you have chose the reason of the VPN into. So you may just tap on update store country, store on that section in order to change the reason on your Steam. If that doesn't work, you may just contact the Steam support team and change your reason on Steam very easily. So therefore, by following those methods, you can change your reason on Steam. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.